splitboarding up here. Kind of steep with the icy layer, and it's snowing, so I think I'm gonna turn around and park a little lower for safety, because that looks sketch. Not worth it. Good morning. Back at Hole Mountain in the month of May, and it's snowing. You can believe it. Pretty crazy. And I'm here to celebrate my stepdad's birthday. So extra special day. Let's get it. Skinning. Fresh snow in May. This is insane. Totally smoothed out already. And there's probably a lot more up top. Oh yeah, this is awesome. So stoked. Frosted tips. Oh my gosh, it's clearing up. Trying to clear up for me. Yes. Give me that visibility, please. Wow. Made it. Phew. So nice to drive that high. Yes. Alright, so time to start a time lapse. Here we go, first run of the day. I finally cleared up enough, I think. Still hard to see. Let's go. Gotta wait for it to clear up more. It's so hard to see the depth and stuff. Let's try that again. Damn, I couldn't see anything. It's so weird. So I couldn't go fast enough. don't want to just send it blindly and eat shit. Oh well, hopefully it'll clear up at some point, because the snow's decent actually. Alright, I'm bailing because the visibility is absolutely terrible. I can barely see in front of me, no depth perception. It's gonna be hard just to get down. But we'll play it slow and safe. Fun if I can see. Oh my god. Ugh. Freezing fog. Well, not even freezing, just fucking wet fog. Got super sticky down here. Oh well, we tried. Fun getting out. Hopefully the weekend's better.